Cutting rebar is a crucial step in any construction project that involves reinforced concrete. Using the right tools is essential to ensure that the job is done safely and efficiently. In this video, we'll take a look at the different rebar cutting tools from BN Products USA and how they can help you get the job done right. Let's start off with the BN Products hand tools. If you need something light duty, the high tensile bolt cutters are a great option. These cutters are designed to cut up to number 4 bar grade 60. With long handles and powerful jaws, these bolt cutters can tackle a variety of jobs without breaking the bank. Next, we have the MBC 16B1. This cutter can handle rebar up to number 5 and is perfect for cutting small sections of rebar on site. It's lightweight and easy to use, making it an ideal choice for contractors on a budget who just need to cut rebar on occasion. For larger cutting jobs, BN Products offers a range of portable rebar cutters. Some can handle rebar up to number 10 and are designed to be used on site. They're portable and easy to move around, making them perfect for construction projects where rebar needs to be cut in multiple locations. Some of our portable rebar cutters include the DC16W, which is a heavy-duty rebar cutter that will safely, efficiently, and cleanly cut rebar up to number 5/5/8, grade 60. This self-contained electric hydraulic unit will also cut other items like chain, bolts, and rod, but is specifically designed for rebar. Like our DC16W, the 16LZ is a cold cutting shear. Unlike saws with abrasive blades and cutting torches, there are no sparks or flames. While the DC16W and 16LZ are similar tools, the LZ version is 3 pounds lighter and ideal for contractors cutting 5 bar or smaller. The 16W gives the user the durability of a heavy-duty case, side handle options, and is engineered for repetitive use as a workhorse. The DC20WH is a heavy-duty hydraulic rebar cutter that is also portable. This machine will safely, cleanly cut rebar up to number 6, 3/4 diameter, grade 60. Our DC20WH is the most popular rebar cutter sold in the United States and has been continuously produced since 1972. The DC25X is also a heavy-duty rebar cutter that will cut rebar up to number 8, 1-inch diameter, grade 60. This unit is ideal for small fabrication shops, and because our rebar cutters feature a locking trigger switch, the cutter can be operated with a foot pedal switch. There are no sparks or flames, so it also works great on epoxy-coated rebar. It's the fastest, safest, and most economical way to cut rebar on the job. The DC32WH is our largest portable heavy-duty rebar cutter, which will easily cut number 10, 1¼ diameter, grade 60. This rebar cutter is ideal for bridge and highway work or in small fabrication shops. If you're looking for a cordless option, BN Products has you covered. Our cordless line of rebar cutters includes the DCC 1636 BHL, which can cut rebar up to number 5, and the DCC 2036 BHL can cut rebar up to number 6. These cordless cutters are perfect for jobs where you don't have access to an electrical outlet or need to move around frequently. BN Products' cutting-edge line of saws is a testament to the company's commitment to innovation and quality. Our cutting-edge saw lineup starts with the BNCE 20. This saw can handle up to number 6 rebar and is perfect for cutting small sections of rebar on site. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to use, and its powerful motor ensures that you can make clean cuts every time. If you need a cordless option, the BNCE 2024V is a great choice. This saw also cuts up to number 6 bar and is perfect for jobs where you need to move around frequently. Its cordless design gives you the freedom to work without being tethered to an electrical outlet. For larger cutting jobs, the BNCE 30 is a great option. This saw can handle rebar up to number 8 and is designed to make quick work of even the toughest materials. With its powerful motor and heavy-duty construction, the BNCE 30 is a reliable choice for contractors who need to cut rebar on a regular basis. We also have a cordless version, the BNCE 30 24V. This saw also cuts up to number 8 bar and is designed to use on-site. Its cordless design gives you that freedom and flexibility to move around as needed, and its powerful motor ensures that you can make a clean cut every time. For even larger cutting jobs, the BNCE 45 is the perfect choice. This saw can handle up to number 10 and is designed to make quick work of even the thickest materials. Its powerful motor and heavy-duty construction make it a reliable choice for contractors who need to cut large bar or channel strut. The BNCE 4524V is our cordless version, which can also cut up to number 10 bar or channel strut. A special aspect to all of the BNCE cutting-edge tools is the head design, which allows for flush cutting rebar and other steel materials, leaving only 1/8 inch above the flat surface. Lastly, in our line of cutting-edge saws is the brand new BNCE 130 chop saw. This is the ultimate cutting tool for rebar. This chop saw can handle even the thickest rebar, making it perfect for industrial and construction settings. Its powerful motor and precision cutting blade make it a reliable choice for contractors who demand the best. It's also worth mentioning that our line of BNCE cutting-edge saws are designed as low RPM cold cutting saws, which does not heat the bar. This results in a burr-free clean cut that is immediately cool to the touch. And unlike abrasive saws, the cold cutting blades greatly limit sparking and heat-related hazards on the job site. You can even cut threaded material with ease. Finally, for the most demanding cutting jobs, BN Products offers the Sigma Series Rebar Cutter. This cutter can shear up to grade 60 number 11 rebar, making it the most powerful rebar cutters on the market. It's designed to be used in industrial settings and can handle even the toughest materials with ease. Whether you're a contractor, engineer, or DIY enthusiast, BN Products has the right rebar cutting tools for your needs. Our hand tools, portable rebar cutters, cordless cutters, and Sigma Series cutter are all designed to make cutting rebar safe and easy. So when you're preparing for your next job site project, choose BN Products USA for all of your rebar cutting needs. If you have any questions about our line of rebar cutters, visit us at bnproducts.com for a distributor near you.